In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add panel to row in Grafana. Before we start, a quick note on what we're doing. Panels are the visual building blocks of a Grafana dashboard, and rows help you organize those panels into collapsible sections. Our goal is to create a panel, choose a visualization, save it, and then place it inside a row in the dashboard layout. Begin by opening your Grafana instance. In the left-hand sidebar, look for the dashboard section. Click dashboards to view your available dashboards, then open the dashboard you want to work on. I'll use a dashboard called Alert Groups Insights as the example, but you can pick any dashboard you have access to. Once the dashboard opens, switch it into edit mode. If you see a make editable option, click it so you can modify the layout and add content. After the dashboard is editable, click add to start creating a new panel. This opens the panel editor, where you can define how the panel looks and what it shows. Inside the panel editor, find the visualization area. You may see time series selected by default. Next to that, click change to open the visualization picker. From the list of visualizations, choose gauge. A gauge is great for showing a single value or summary at a glance, and it's a nice complement to time series charts when you want quick status indicators. When the gauge is selected, you're ready to save it into the dashboard. Click Save to Dashboard. Confirm the save when prompted by clicking Save. Then click Back to Dashboard to return to the main dashboard view with the panel added. Now let's place the panel into a row. Locate the new panel you just saved. If the row you want to use is collapsed, expand it first so you can drop content inside. Hover over the panel's header to reveal the drag handle. Then click and drag the panel toward the row. As you move it, Grafana shows guide markers to indicate where the panel will land. Drop the panel inside the row area so it becomes part of that section. If needed, you can drag again to fine-tune its position or resize it to fit the row layout neatly. That's it. You opened your dashboard, made it editable, added a new panel, switched the visualization to a gauge, saved it, and then dragged it into a row for a clean, organized layout. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building clearer dashboards in Grafana.